Today I'm going to show you how to set up a pixel in MailerLite. This is incredibly useful if you want to track conversions, monitor user behavior, or run retargeting campaigns through platforms like Facebook or Google. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to MailerLite.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you straight to your MailerLite dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your email campaigns and automation. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left side of the screen. Here you'll see a navigation menu with several options. Click on Campaigns. This section houses all your email campaigns, whether they're drafts, scheduled, or already sent. It's where you'll be able to access and edit any campaign you've created. Next, locate the specific campaign where you want to add your pixel. Beside the campaign name, you'll see a few options. Click on Edit. This will open up the campaign editor, allowing you to make changes to the content, design, and settings of your email. Now, at the top of the screen, click on Design Email. This button takes you into the email builder where you can customize the layout and content of your campaign. Once you click it, give it a moment to load. The page might take a few seconds to fully display, especially if your campaign has a lot of elements or images, so just be patient while everything loads. Once the editor is ready, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll find a search bar where you can look for different content blocks to add to your email. In the search bar, type code. This will bring up a code block element, which is exactly what you need to insert your pixel. Now drag the code block anywhere you want within your campaign. You can place it at the top, bottom, or even in the middle of your email, though it's often best to put it near the top or bottom so it doesn't interfere with your main content. Once you've dragged it into position, click on the code block you just added. On the right side of the screen, you'll see an HTML field appear. This is where you'll paste the pixel code you copied from your Pixel account, whether that's Facebook, Pixel, Google Analytics, or any other tracking tool you're using. Simply paste the HTML code into this field, and that's it. You've successfully set up a pixel in your MailerLite campaign. This pixel will now track interactions with your email, giving you valuable data on how your audience engages with your content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.